Latest update on the macular hole in my eye. Doctor said I'm up to like 99% re-healed, so that little dentation is normal. What it used to look like. With that said, let's get back to the subject of this video. I got more videos to come, but these are just little narrations of different things when I'm actually going through. This is a picture of the furnace, just a amateur tip to you. If you're buying a product, one of the biggest things that you may have an investment expenses is your heating and air conditioning. So make sure that in addition to looking at property, if it appeals to you, make sure that you understand or be aware of the age of the heating and air conditioning system, because if those have to be replaced or repaired, a major repair, they may be a significant part of your renovation budget. So just to be precaution of that. This unit here was put when the unit was built in 2004. I haven't turned it on yet because at this point, I don't have my natural gas turned on yet. I'm waiting for that. But once it's turned on, I'm going to have a HVAC service technician come out and inspect the furnace. They already looked at the air conditioning, so that's been running since the summer, but the heating has not been on, so they're going to look at that as well as the hot water tank. But the hot water tank looks fairly new. It may be, it looks like it's about 8 years old, so I don't think it should be any problem with that. So my main concern is the condition of the heating unit. This is actually on the second floor. The unit we have is actually a main floor with all the living areas on the main floor, with the exception of the second floor area, which is like a storage area, which is it's probably about 20 feet long by 5 feet wide. Only thing that's housing up there is just the space for storage. These are some of the bathroom fixtures that I've been purchasing at various auctions and things during the past that I'm going to install. I've been looking at some blinds and curtains and things of that nature to go on the window covering. And here you see me thinking about putting in a peninsula in the kitchen. I'm not sure, but at least I'm laying it out with some blue tape and measuring it off. So it'll probably extend out at a 90-degree angle from the existing cabinet by about 30 inches. The width would be 25 inches, and from the measurement point of 12 inches to 24 inches would be the cabinet, and that 1 inch to 12-inch area would be the overhang. Here I'm starting to pull off the cabinet doors in preparation for cleaning. There's quite a bit of cooking grease and grime on the doors and box faces and stuff like that. So first thing we're going to do is degrease all that, clean it, and then prep it for painting. The scheme that I'm thinking about is having the lower cabinets a dark blue and repainting the upper cabinets white. Here you can see everything has been pulled off. I removed the old dishwasher, and the cabinets I'm going to have professional service come in and do a thorough cleaning and disinfection of the cabinets insides. You also see in here the old range stove that's going to be removed, and also the refrigerator is going to be removed for new appliances. So this is the upper cabinet, just kind of just panning through stuff, just kind of showing you what you got, and there's more videos to come, so stay tuned. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit the like button and give me a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it. More videos in this series to come.